Okay, so let us now see whether we can find the mean and variance of the gamma distribution. So as we have already seen that the probability PDF of the gamma distribution looks like something like this for x is greater than 0. So what we are going to do is we are going to say E of x. So what is the definition of the mean? We have x, px, dx, and this integration is done based on the range of x. So in our case we have beta to the alpha over gamma of alpha, x to the alpha, a to the minus beta x dx 0 to infinity. Now this x to the alpha came because I use x times x to the alpha minus 1. This is equal to x to the alpha. And just a side note here. Okay, so what is this guy? Now this we can use the change of variables here, and we can say u is equal to beta x, and we can say du is equal to beta times dx, and if x goes from 0 to infinity, u also goes from 0 to infinity, and then we can say here is equal to beta to the alpha over 0 to infinity. X now x is u over beta, right? So we say u over beta to the alpha times du over beta. So then this beta and this beta goes out, and we have beta alpha over beta alpha plus 1 times 1 over gamma of alpha. Oh, sorry, we have e to the minus u also here, and then we have 0 to infinity u to the alpha e to the minus u du. Okay, so this becomes 1 over beta times gamma of alpha, and this is what? This is gamma of alpha plus 1. Okay, so then we have gamma of alpha plus 1 over beta of gamma alpha. So gamma of alpha plus 1 is what? Alpha times gamma of alpha divided by beta times gamma of alpha. This is equal to alpha over beta. So this is the mean of the gamma distribution. So very quickly, let's now try to find the second moment. So we have x squared. Now this is equal to, I'm going to skip some steps now. So 0 to infinity x to the alpha plus 1 e to the minus beta x dx. Okay, now again here I'm going to use u is equal to beta x and do the same procedure as before, and I will get something like beta to the alpha. This becomes 0 to infinity u over beta to the alpha plus 1 e to the minus u, and then du over beta. Okay, so then I get here beta to the alpha over beta to the alpha plus 2, 1 over gamma of alpha, 0 to infinity u alpha plus 1 e to the minus u du. This guy is what? This guy is gamma of alpha plus 2. So then my final answer is beta to the minus 2 alpha plus 2 over, okay, so then this is equal to beta to the minus 2 alpha plus 1 times gamma of alpha plus 1 divided by gamma of alpha. So this is equal to beta to the minus 2 alpha plus 1 alpha gamma of alpha divided by gamma of alpha. So then we have this and this cancels out, and then we have alpha squared plus alpha over beta squared. Now the variance of x is what? Variance is e to the x squared minus mean squared. So using the values we just calculated, we get, and what is the mean squared? Mean squared is alpha squared over beta squared. So my answer is alpha over beta squared. So in summary, for gamma distribution, mean is alpha over beta and variance is alpha over beta squared. Okay, so this is it for the gamma distribution. Hope you understand it well, and thanks for watching.